Hey everyone, welcome back. So I wasn't planning on filming this video today. That's why my makeup's not done. I'm wearing a shirt that I've probably worn in like 12 other videos. But I just got this delivered to my doorstep and I was on my way out to run a few errands. And I decided, why not just sit down while I have the time and film it for you guys. So this is the BoxyCharm Base box for the month of July. And I'm super curious to see what variation I got. And if you are curious to see what I got in this month's box, then just keep watching. But before that, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel while you're at it. That way you can join me every time I upload a new video. Now, without further ado, let's see what we got in this month's BoxyCharm Base box. Okay, you guys, so BoxyCharm is $25 a month. You get to choose one item, and lately the choice items have not been the best. However, I have seen a few unboxings of this month's base box and premium box, and so far everything looks really promising. So without further ado, let's see what I got. Ooh, okay. So when you open it up, it looks like this. And this month's theme is BoxyCharm Sunshine. I love the little lemon slices, super cute. And then on the back, it does go over all of the items that will be inside this month's box. And I have variation number 68. So, okay, cool. So, Sunshine, BoxyCharm Sunshine. Let's see if this gives me a little sunshine in my box. Okay, so the first thing is this. Let me put this box like over here to the side or something. This is the Babe Lash Essential Serum. And now this was actually my choice item for the month. So I have pretty substantial lashes. However, the older I get, the more sparse they're getting. So anything that will help them grow longer and thicker and fuller. I have been also using castor oil and that works amazing. So here is the outside packaging, really sleek gold metal kind of feeling tube. And here's the outside packaging. And on the inside it says Lash like a boss. That's pretty cute. So let's read up on this. So this is Babe Lash Essential Serum. It says, who doesn't want noticeably beautiful lashes? The award-winning Babe Lash Essential Serum will give you the lashes you've been looking for by enhancing the appearance of length and volume over time. It can also be used on brows and with lash extensions. And so that's pretty cool. This is retailed at $59. That is crazy town, $59. Now I know you can get like Latisse and there's all kinds of different lash serums on the market. Grande Lash, I think Peter Thomas Roth sells the Lashes to Die For, and they're all pretty expensive. So 59 bucks for a lash serum, not too shabby. So pretty excited about that, and I cannot wait to start giving that a go. All right, so moving right along, the next thing is this, and this is from Fenty Beauty. This is the Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder. Ooh, look at that packaging. And I have the shade 24 Karat. So I'm assuming it's going to be like a really like gold shade, hence 24 karat gold. I'm brilliant, I know. Oh my gosh, and look at the packaging, you guys. The packaging is stunning. Like, I think that is just gorgeous. So it's essentially just a loose highlight, and you can see it has the FB there. I probably will not get a whole lot of use out of this just because of the color, and just I don't really reach a lot for loose highlighters. If anything, I would maybe like use this on my body, on my décolleté, my shoulders, my legs, something like that. But yeah, so anyway, let's read about this. So this is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder. And this is the same smooth, hyper-reflective shimmer that comes pre-packed in Fairy Balm Glittering Pom-Pom. New housed in a loose powder pot for precision and payoff. Pack this prismatic sparkle onto your face, eyes, and body. This is valued at $28. So yeah, you could use this as a loose shadow. I mean, there's a million things you could use this for. You could use this as a highlighter on the face. I don't know. I might give it a shot. We will see, and I will keep you guys updated on that. Alrighty, the next thing is this, and this is the Everyday Vacay from Ciate London. This is the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Love the packaging, little stars. And like I've mentioned before, I'm actually a pretty big fan of everything that Ciate London, or just like what I've tried from the brand anyway. So let's see. Oh, okay, it's pretty packaging. It's like a iridescent white with gold. Let's give it a little shake and a spritz. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. That's like taking me to the beach, like everyday vacay for real. This makes me think of the beach for sure. So let's see what it says about this. Okay, Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. Set and refresh your makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray infused with coconut. This luminous ultra-fine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. Definitely. And this retails for $22. All right, the next thing is this. Oh, I did not want this. So this is the this is the Nudestix Rock and Roll Liner. I remember way back in the day when I worked for MAC, we launched the roller liner. And I remember even then I was like, oh my gosh, this is the dumbest thing ever. Like, no one's gonna want this. And guess what? No one wanted it. No matter how many like demos I did on people or how much product knowledge I had on it, like no one wanted it. So essentially this is like a little wheel, a little pizza cutter. I'm sure you guys have seen similar apparatus, applicators, even Revlon came out with it. Quite a few companies have made dupes for these. However, the only thing that's intriguing to me is the shade. So it's like a pearly kind of rose gold color in the shade Golden Rose, Rosé actually. So let's just do a little swatch in the back of my hand because, okay, so that color is really, really pretty. I'm not sure if it's going to translate here. I don't have my normal setup right now, so I'm probably like all over the place. But the only thing with these kinds of liners is that it's very hard to get like a rounded movement. So like a flick, I'll just give you an idea. So it's good for precision and straight lines, but if you are trying to do like a winged liner, because it's just not flexible, it's gonna be hard to get that flick. But with this kind of color, I can just kind of go in and do some detail work and some graphic liners, and I can probably get some use for it. Am I gonna reach for it a whole lot? Probably not. But okay, so this is the Nudestix Rock and Roller. Easily achieves eye lining perfection with this high pigment, sweat-proof, smudge-proof, waterproof liner that stays put for a 24-hour wear-resistant finish. The ultra-fine roller ball glides across the lash line for precise ink application, allowing you to create a variety of looks with ease. I doubt that. But this is valued at $26. So like I said, I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a go. You never know. It might end up at the end of the month for my best of the box review, and I might love it. Who knows? I doubt it, but who knows? And last but not least is this, and this I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Yes. So this is the Pur Festival. Get out of that 2.0 palette. These are the colors on the back. The packaging is really pretty. It's like this very holographic box with the colors on top as well. Festival, you know, Pur really is playing with this year because we had absolutely no festivals due to the Rona. But let's just take a look inside and see what the colors look like. The colors look really pretty. Yes, very pretty actually. So I might give this a go. A lot of crushed pigments and glitters and things like that, but you have a wide array of pinks, peaches, browns, some pops of colors. Let's do a few swatches. So I definitely want to do this Utopia color right there. Very gritty. But pretty nonetheless. It's like a mermaid seafoam green. Sorry for all the super glue underneath my nails, by the way. You guys, you know, I'm just a mess all the time. Let's do this color, Turn It Up. So there's that. It's kind of some Christmas vibes going right there. And then let's do this blue, which is Electric. Again, beautiful color payoff. And let's do this peachy color called Dreamland. That didn't feel too bad, and does have a nice little mirror in there. So those are the colors right there. Let me try to do some horrific swatches for you guys. So there is Dreamland, there is that like duochrome green, there is the pink, and then there is the blue. Ooh, oh Lord, do you see that? Oh my God, that is beautiful. Okay, I take back everything I said. I really am excited about this palette now. I've actually, now you wouldn't know by the way I am done today because I was just gonna go do some errands, but I've actually been playing a lot more with color. I've just been kind of interested in color a little bit more, so I'm super excited. Okay, so this is the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. So it says, get a state of intense euphoria with the shimmer-infused 12-piece pressed pigment palettes that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking, light reflective formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades, and this retails for $36. All right, so that's everything for this month's box. Let's go over everything again as a recap. Alrighty, so I have the Babe Lash Lash Growth Serum. I have the Fenty Fairy Balm in 24 karat. I have the roller liner from Nudestix, Ciate London Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. And then I have the Pure Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. I really enjoyed this month's box. I think it was a really good box. Was there a few things here or there that weren't like amazing for me? Yes. However, all in all, I would give this box 4 stars out of 5. I really did enjoy it, and I think that I will get a lot of use out of the eyeshadow palette, the lash serum, the setting spray for sure. Like those 3 things made this box for me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up again. Please subscribe while you're at it. And let me know down below if you've gotten your box. Are we box twins? Did you like my box? And until next time, bye.